Hey guys, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to eaJ's LA Trains. This is not only going to be my first time reacting to this music video, but also to the song. I'm excited to see what this entails. And if you like this video, feel free to subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel that I have reacting to eaJ and then also other artists. So let's go.
I'm stuck in this room. It's beautiful. So do they streetlights. So
Okay, first of all, like, starting off, he hit us with, like, that falsetto, which, it was really good. So, yeah, let's see what else happens in this song. Okay.
wish we could stay without someone just blinking. Keep you in my eyes. What is that?
Dude, so far this song is kind of making me feel, like, hollow and lonely. Yeah, just from the vocals and, like, the instrumentals. But let's see. I think it's gonna get, like, a little bit more upbeat just from what I'm hearing. Okay, that was actually a relatively short song, but from kind of just the 1 minute and 20 seconds, um, definitely like a lot of meaning to it, a lot of emotion. And then I also got to witness just like the vocals from eaJ, which are how does he do it, you know? Um, Other than that though, that about wraps up my reaction to eaJ's LA Trains, yeah. So if you like that video, feel free to leave a thumbs up. If you have like any other music you recommend me listen to, or any other recommendations at all, even about like the video quality, because that's one thing I'm trying to improve, feel free to leave a comment down below, and subscribe and check out my channel if you want to see the other reactions I have to eaJ and other artists. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.